Guys, welcome back to another one. Many of my viewers are complaining that their Telegram is not working. They have issue connecting problem issue, and their Telegram account is not properly working. So in today's tutorial, I have a fix. I give you a proper solution to a fix Telegram not working problem permanently and lifetime for lifetime. So first of all, before fixing this issue, I request all of you, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon for more technical videos, tips and tricks. First of all, what you need to do if your Telegram account is not working properly. Alright guys, look here, my Telegram, sorry, this is not, my Telegram is right now it's working. Now first you see connecting and now it's connected. My Telegram is working but your Telegram is not working, so you just need to come your Google Play Store. After opening Google Play Store, okay, search here PSIPHON and download this application Siphon Pro. Siphon. Alright, once you download this application, just open it. After opening this one, this is actually this is a VPN that you can that you need to use to fix the Telegram not working problem. Alright, just download Siphon Pro app, then connect this VPN to the server. After you connected a VPN with the server, then your problem will be fixed in seconds, just like this. I tap on start and in seconds the Siphon Pro VPN will be connected. Look, it's connected. Alright, once it's connect, then your Telegram not working problem will be fixed. And even if you have a problem during Telegram account registration, OTP not receiving problem, 6-digit OTP code, then also you need to just download a Siphon Pro and connect it. It is actually a VPN. Once you connect a VPN, then your all problem will be fixed here. I hope so you this tutorial helped you very much. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye. I will see you in the next one. Best of luck.